What's up, YouTube? This is Chris Badgett, CEO and co-founder of Lifter LMS. And in this video, I want to tell you about a new course that I'm creating called Heal Your Sick course. It's actually kind of like a virtual summit slash mastermind style course. And I'll put a link in the description down below if you want to check it out. It's for course creators. I have a course creation software tool called Lifter LMS, and I've just been in this industry for a very long time. And unfortunately, I see way too many people fail or be completely under optimized for success. So this course is an effort to help people who are trying to create courses to get out of the way from making the classic mistakes and get the right ideas and actions in place to set them up for success. So just to tell you a little bit about how this launching this course is going, the idea to make this course is, less than a month old. The problem has been around for a long time that it's addressing, but I want to tell you about a few key variables that I'm doing with launching this course, and maybe you can consider these ideas when you're thinking about launching a course. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm pre-selling to the course creation audience. I'm looking for validation, and people are buying this course already before it exists. It has a future start date of March 11th, and people are buying it. So there is a need. People are interested in getting unstuck and, fixing the broken machine that they've built around their course project. The other thing I'm doing is I'm community building in my industry, which is a little different. So this course, the idea, actually somebody else came to me. His name is Abdo Riani from Startup Circle. He wanted to partner with me to do this course. So I'm joining forces with him. And then what we're doing is we're using my framework of the 5 hats problem that course creators face, which is they have to wear 5 hats or be good at, 5 completely different areas or build a team around all those areas in order to have a successful project. So those hats are becoming an expert, being a teacher, being a community builder, being a technologist, and being an entrepreneur. And it's very hard and just unlikely and unusual for one person to have all those characteristics. So that's the big reason people fail is they may be fine in 1, 2, 3, or even 4 of those areas, but they're missing a basic competency in themselves or in their team for the other one. So we're building this course program around that framework. I'm also bringing in experts to facilitate live discussions with a short presentation around each, a couple of people in each of those hats. So that's the other thing I'm doing is I'm community building with the industry. I'm going to be leading a session. Abdo is going to be leading a session. But we're also bringing in 8 other fantastic, very knowledgeable, successful folks to help facilitate those conversations during the course. So it's actually going to be, we're not making content and then going and selling it. We're selling it first, and we're not even going to have the content done on launch day. What it's going to be is just for 1 week, 5 days, there's going to be 2 2-hour sessions. And it's less about the content or the presentation as it is about live, interactive coaching and support between the course creator and the expert. So we're actually going to run it completely live. And this is a pilot version. So that's something we're doing. We're piloting and creating content on the fly, focusing with feedback loops wide open between, what's not working and just helping instead of making a bunch of assumptions, making a bunch of content and packing that in a course. That can happen, but we're going to run this live and we're not going to do it alone. We're also doing an early adopter discount. So before this launches, it's very effective to have a discount for your early adopters that are, taking a bet on you that the program's going to be good because it's not proven. Nobody has gone through it yet because it doesn't exist yet. So that's just a quick overview of what's going on with me and the Heal Your Sick Course Summit. It's going to be happening 2 weeks from now. And that week, Monday through Friday, March 11th through 15th, is when the sessions are going to happen. Of course, we're going to record those and then use Lifter LMS to package them into a course that's evergreen. And that's that's the beginning of a project. And that whole thing is it's not that hard to pull off. I mean, there's a lot of work and organization, especially when you bring in other people, but this is how we are approaching it. It's selling, people are buying, people are interested in having help on this problem, and that's validation. So we're moving forward, and the next step in validation, we validated that we can communicate the idea and the offer. We validated that it can sell. And the next step is to validate that we can actually deliver results that people are happy with, real world results, reality testing for the people who join the Heal Your Sick Course Summit. If you're a course creator and you're interested in, going from like 0 to your first 100 students, click the link in the description below. And my goal is to help you avoid the classic mistakes and help you find success faster and, get the basic competency across those 5 hats that we talked about. I'm Chris Badgett from Lifter LMS, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.